Winter's best entertainment package, the 37th Annual Lacrosse Boat Sports Travel RV and Hunting Show. See NBC TV singing sensation Street Corner Symphony on stage daily. Visit with live North American animals. Stop by Boone and Crockett, Pope and Young, and have your prize rack measured for free. View artistic anglers' life-size trophies and attend a variety of hunting and fishing seminars. Plan your next fishing or hunting expedition. View boats, motors, pontoons, travel trailers, fifth wheels, and more. Don't miss the Canadian Walleye Homemade Shore Lunch in the deli. This is the biggest and best show ever, and it's happening now. The Lacrosse Boat Sports Travel RV and Hunting Show. Lacrosse Center. Don't miss it.